Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. Your competitive excellence is our motto. In this session, I am going to brief you about the various competitive exams conducted by your UPSC. I am also briefing about when they are conducted and what is the required qualification for those examinations. The Union Public Service Commission is conducting many competitive examinations. India's topmost prestigious examination conducted by your UPSC is Civil Service Exam, that is CSE. This examination is conducted to recruit the people for various civil services of Government of India such as IAS, IFS, IPS, etc. The minimum qualification required for this examination is graduation, and this examination is conducted once in a year. The another prestigious examination conducted by your UPSC is Indian Engineering Service, that is IES. This examination is conducted to recruit the people for technical and managerial functions of Government of India in the field of engineering. The required minimum qualification is BE or BTech or MSc degree or its equivalent with wireless communication, electronics or radio physics. This examination is also conducted once in a year. The another important examination conducted by your UPSC is Combined Defence Service Exam, that is CDS. This examination is conducted to recruit the people into Military Academy, Naval Academy and Indian Air Force. The minimum qualification required is graduation, but however, you should not be married. Only unmarried graduates are eligible for this examination, and this examination is conducted twice a year. Another important exam conducted by your UPSC is NDA, that is National Defence Academy. This examination is conducted to gain the entry into National Defence Academy. The minimum qualification required for this examination is 12th pass. However, you should not be married, and this examination is also conducted twice a year. The another important exam conducted by your UPSC is Indian Economic Service and Indian Statistical Service Examination. This examination is conducted to recruit Grade 4 officers into Indian Economic Service and Indian Statistical Service. The minimum qualification required for this examination is bachelor's degree with statistics, mathematical statistics and applied statistics. This examination is conducted once in a year. The next very important competitive exam conducted by your UPSC is Indian Forest Service. Here, the prelims for your Indian Forest Service and Indian Civil Service are one and the same. However, you need to write the different mains for Indian Forest Service. The minimum required qualification for Indian Forest Service is bachelor's degree with one of the following subjects such as animal husbandry, veterinary science, botany, chemistry, zoology, mathematics, physics, statistics and zoology, or bachelor's degree in agriculture or forestry or any engineering degree. This examination is also conducted once in a year. The next very important competitive exam conducted by your UPSC is Central Armed Police Force Examination. This examination is conducted to recruit security force which includes officers, subordinate officers and constables to its organizations like Border Security Force, Central Industrial Security Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Force, Sashastra Sema Bal, Assam Rifles and National Security Guards. The minimum qualification for this examination is any degree, and this examination is also conducted once in a year. With this, I am ending this session. In the upcoming sessions, I am going to discuss the various other competitive exams conducted by your railways, IBPS, staff selection commissions and others. Thank you. Let us maintain peace and harmony. Let us work together for the better of our nation. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on bell button, like it and share it. Thank you.